Cooking with Chef Timmy J. Hey YouTube family, how you doing? This is your boy Chef J, and today we're going to do some really simple Instapot broccoli, something that everybody can do. And here's a secret: we're setting that timer to 0 minutes. That's right, 0 minutes. No mushy broccoli, no falling off the bones. So here are your ingredients. I have a little bit of broccoli, some sea salt. We've got those nice florets, of course, our steamer basket back there in the back, and then there is 1 cup of water. That's right, YouTube family, that is it. Now, at the end for the seasoning, I like to put a little garlic powder, salt, and squeeze some lemon on mine, but you can use whatever you like. That's what I like. So just use whatever seasoning you like. So, first thing we're going to do, go ahead and start pouring that 1 cup of water into the bottom of that Instant Pot. I like to keep it really clean, so make sure your steamer basket is washed and ready to go. Um, and we will get to that. So we're just taking the water here, pouring it into our steamer basket, and we're just letting it flow, folks. Next, I've taken my steamer basket that we cleaned. I'm dropping it in that Instant Pot. And that's what you want, making sure everything is secure, perfect. Next, we're going to chop up some of these broccoli florets. You can make them in bite sizes. It's however you like. I had a mess here, so I'm moving some of those out of the way. And yes, so now I'm going to just chop these the way I like them. If you like yours really big, go ahead and keep them big. But I'm going to make mine about bite sizes. They do tell you that if you cut everything evenly, it'll cook evenly. I find that sometimes that stuff is kind of subjective. I guess it could be true, but today I'm just chopping, and because I'm going to show you folks, this is going to be amazing broccoli. And what I do is I split some of them in the middle. I think that one's fine. I'll leave that one like it is. Again, I'm trying to make bite-sized pieces here, folks. So I'm chopping this piece of broccoli just like that. YouTube, I have a question for you. Do you cut the ends of your broccoli off, or do you leave those stems on? I've heard that there are recipes that you can make like a stem soup from broccoli. If you've done that, just leave me some comments. I would love to find out what are your thoughts. So now that those are all chopped up the way I like, what I'll do here is I'm going to move my camera around, but I'm going to grab those florets and I'm going to drop those in our steamer basket. And so as you see here, I am just loading up that steamer basket with this broccoli. And this was some great broccoli. I went to a Restaurant Depot. If you haven't been, or if you have, Restaurant Depot, you kind of buy in bulk, but pretty fresh foods. All right, now I got my lid on there, and you want to make sure that yours is on seal and not venting. You don't want to have an accident or get hurt. So as you can see, mine is set to sealing, and we're just about ready to begin this process. And warning, folks, this does get hot. All right, so now we're turning the pressure cooker on. It defaults to 3 minutes, but I'm going to bump it down to, there's that magic 0, folks. As you see, it's 0 minutes. And at 0 minutes, I'm ready to hit this start button. And then we're going to begin the process for these wonderful, wonderful broccoli florets. And so I've hit it 0. It has built up the pressure. And as you see here, folks, the steam is definitely building up. It's almost there. It's just sizzling away and splashing away. It is very hot. You can see that ring, that pin is definitely sticking up. So I'm just letting this get hot. Now I'm going to open it up and woo, be careful. Bam. Look at that, folks. There you have it. Look at that broccoli. It is not mushy. Woo, that steam almost got me. It almost melted the camera, folks. But that broccoli is ready to go. It is the way I like it. Again, folks, I want you to have fun. Enjoy your food. Have a good time. But look at that broccoli. It is definitely done and definitely ready. We're inside that basket. Woo, Again, look at that steam just coming off all those broccoli florets. So this is good. What I'll start doing here is I will then grab me a plate and get this definitely plated up for you folks. So here we are. Now it's plated up. I'm going to put some of my garlic powder because remember, powder is not salty. I kind of got to watch my salt intake. Just got to be a little health conscious. So I've added garlic powder. And then I'm going to follow that by some sea salt. You can use whatever kind of salt you want. I like the sea salt. I like the taste of it. So I'm just dumping it on, dumping it on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right. Don't shoot me for the salt, folks. I added the salt on there. And now I'm just taking a lemon and I'm going to slice the end part of this lemon because you can squeeze it better. And so I'm just squeezing this lemon all around, all over that broccoli. It's not mushy at all. I'm just shaking, yes, every drop. And bam, folks, look at that. There it is. This is your broccoli steamed perfectly, 0 minutes, no mush at all. Just take a look at there. Oh, yeah. Yeah, all you health addicts, there it is. It's healthy and it's ready for you, ready to have, and it tastes great.